Activity 4. A question for Lauro. Lauro hasn't talked at all.
The free question.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes.
Yes, first question. Okay, Lauro. The question is life more difficult for people who smoke in activity 4 or suffer from lung disease?
Yes, it's difficult
Why is difficult?
because the people don't will have a good condition, and if they smoking for a long time, maybe obtain a wrong disease.
A lung disease or a wrong
A
disease?
wrong disease.
What is a wrong disease? It's a bad one. A bad one. A bad disease.
Yes.
Feel terrible.
A terrible disease.
And it's good. The chewing gum, right? It's good. It's any good? Yes. Well, and what about, was there been a time when you had a condition that limited your participation in your favorite activities? Hugo said that when he's sick, when he gets sick. What about you? There having a time when you feel. It is question number 2. Would you, if it is, has there been a time when you had a condition that limited your participation in your favorite activities? Yes, no.
I don't understand.
You don't understand. For example, if you are sick, you cannot do anything. You have to be in bed. So there have been a time like that in your life that say, I want to do this, but I can't because I'm sick. I have to stay in bed. So Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What, Mr. Antonio? Antonio, has there been a time when you had a condition that limited your participation in your favorite activities?
Yes, when I run very fast, I need to read more. I have this problem.
You got that problem?
Yes.
You have lung disease, a lung disease or something?
No, but I don't have good condition.
You're not in good condition. So you feel suffocated when you exercise. So you feel that way. Well, how would you describe this experience? How would you describe the experience of breathing through a straw after exercising, or how would you describe this experience?
Well, it's a good experience because we learn why we don't smoke.
Why you shouldn't smoke?
We shouldn't
Why
smoke.
we shouldn't smoke? Because
We
might get we might get
we can
a lung disease, right?
yes.
We may get a lung disease, and if imagine, it is difficult in some way to breathe in through a straw. Imagine that you have to do it through the rest of your life. Yes.
Could be very difficult.
It could be difficult, and maybe you won't be able to do all the activities that you do that you're doing right now.
The
Yeah.
limit and the activities.
Yes, you have to. Your activities are going to be limited.
Yes.
Yes. So I think it's a shocking experience, right? It could be like that. And well, now we move to activity 5. Is almost answer. In activity 5, we have read and answer the following questions. Then share your answer with a whole class if requested. Can this activity be applied to your life?
Yes.
Yes. Why? How? In what way?
Because we can teach this knowledge to to our family and
to our
friends
family and friends to avoid
to they don't smoke.
they don't smoke, right? For the good.
Yes.
Would you modify any behavior as a result of this activity? Would you modify any behavior, something that you are doing or not doing right now, that you learn from this activity? Oh, I need to do this because I realize that I need to do something different. What did you learn from the activity?
Well, uh, the only one thing I can change is mm, no smoke.
That you don't smoke, yes, and also you say that you should exercise regularly because
Regularly, yes.
you realize that you're not in good condition.
Keep fit.
Get fit, yeah. And what about you, Laura? How can this apply to your life? Would you modify any behavior as a result of the activity?
I can change when I go to party.
Uh-huh.
Only can drink um,
Don't smoke.
don't smoke.
Because you do both things, right? To smoke and drink, and then you feel terrible the next day or that day. You can get enough air. Yes, is that what you said? And what do you learn, guys, over there in the back?
Of consequence for relation this activity, the smoking is is bad for my salud.
My health.
My health.
My health.
This activity is not can realizing your favorite activities. So it's not good.
It's not good.
It's not good.
So smoking is not good. That's what you learn. And will you modify any behaviors?
Mm, when I'm not smoking, I thinking never smoking.
And never smoke. You want to smoke. Okay. And you, Mr. Muñoz?
Crear what conciencia y
Your
the
conscience.
smoke from me
Uh-huh.
eh, because you read the consequence,
The consequences.
The consequence.
Yes.
the activity, the smoke.
When you smoke, you will pay the consequences, right? Because you're gonna feel terrible, and that's just part of the story, because you can get a cancer or something, and it's worst. Yes, even if you stop smoking, you can get it after, because your lungs maybe are damaged already, you know. So it's a good idea anyway to stop smoking. And what about you, Mr. Can this activity be applied to your life? Would you modify any of your behaviors as a result of this activity?
Yes,
Yes.
and because on the consequence,
Consequences?
and the working,
Uh-huh.
and the application in my life,
In your life.
and
So you
My role.
will smoke.
yeah.
You will smoke. You will?
No, no, no.
No, I want.
No, I want.
I want smoke. So because it is dangerous for your health, right? It's not good
bad.
for you. It's bad for you. Well, hope that this has helped you to to change any behavior that you have learned something that can help in your life. So this is the end of this lesson.